kerja, tapi sekarang saya di Jabatan Kesihatan Wilayah Persekutuan sebagai penolong pengarah kanan. You boleh kata saya medical doctor. Why I started using the Alora product is 19 tahun I was working in hospital Apang, doing on calls. And saya dalam berdiri, tengok patient, berdiri sampai I had very severe back pain. Cannot berdiri every day go to work. Macam ni aja. I have to go and see like this only. So then she saw me last year, summer November when I met her during the poly time. She told me, you buy the pants and use because I kena makan Celebrex or Apoxia. I have to eat every day before going to work. As a medical doctor, skeptical sometimes. Skeptical killer. What? Celebrex cannot do, but Apoxia cannot. And I was going for physio 3 times a week. I said, okay lah. So in November last year, after she told me, I said, never mind. Okay, I wear. I wore that for 3 weeks. I could be walking faster. ASEAN came to Ampang Hospital to see me. I'm walking so fast in front of ASEAN. ASEAN is like, hello, now you can walk so fast already. I said, yeah, my pain is no more there. And my back pain used to come down as a sciatica pain. That is even worse for me. Dia tarik di kaki. And kasut tu, don't talk about wearing high heels semua lah. Tak boleh. Saya kena pakai, kalau boleh, the sport. I saw my husband having plantar fasciitis. Every morning cannot put the feet down because he works in a hospital also. Okay, tak boleh letak ke bawah. I say, wear the socks. I wore the socks for him. I said, you start wearing. From November last year until now, every night, every day, must wear the socks. It's become a habit for him already. Because without that, he feels cannot laugh. So for me, these are things that I have tried and it has brought benefit for me. Ada satu kawan dari church yang kata, you boleh datang ke rumah ke? I said, never mind, I come. 9:30, I'm standing in her house. That is when she said, from January, I've been following up with her, and finally in April, she said, I want to use the product. I see you, and I trust this thing is going to help me also. So I said, okay, I come.